In the oak trees of California, there's a deadly mushroom that surrounds oak trees.
When do they grow?
They grow during the rains. You can identify these mushrooms by the cups. And this is an example of one. This is the exact same type that we found yesterday.
Let's go take a look at some others that are pushing up.
Yep.
Over here. So you say they're deadly. Really, how deadly?
They have one spore can kill a human.
One spore or one bite?
One bite can kill a human.
So no mushroom soup?
Yep, no mushroom soup with this one. Throw all the things away.
This is the same mushroom we saw the day before.
Throw the things away.
What is this?
Mushroom.
What? That's huge.
I know.
That is unbelievable.
Oh, I see it. Let me see if I could stick it into the roots. Oh, wow, they're deep. It's deep in there.
Is it?
Yeah, it's deep. Ugh. Maybe if I can. Oh, I got a big. Okay, got into the soil. Oh, look at that.
What do you see? What do you see?
I see a bug that's
Oh, yes.
yeah. And then there's more bugs. Like, what is that? What the heck is that?
What do you see?
The heck is that? That's so weird looking.
What do you see?
Right there. Right there. Looks like some kind of larva. I have to dig in more to see. Look at that. Is that weird looking?
Oh, that?
Yeah. It's alive. I mean, what the heck is that? I don't even know that. Okay, let's
Interesting.
look
Oh, it's digging, it's digging. Look at it, look at
Look
it.
at that. It's a
What is it?
worm. It might be a worm. But
You
it
said
might
it was a larva, maybe a larva for something? Oh my gosh. Look at it.
maybe a beetle larva.
Wow.
That was pretty cool. Okay, let's dig more into the soil.
Wow,
Get
this
to
is
the mushroom.
exciting.
I know. There's a big mushroom. Oh. Right. Let's see if we can dig in here. Wow, it's deep. Very deep. Ugh. Unless I move right here, I don't know what that is. Oh, a millipede!
Do you see a millipede?
Literally, a millipede.
You found him in a nice moist environment.
Oh,
Wow.
wow, he's a big one. See if we can.
What do you
get
think
him
that
out.
tells us about mushrooms?
That they go into the deep soil
And,
they live in moist areas too.
oh, wow. Be careful. Don't touch the
I'm
mushroom.
not touching the mushroom because it might be poisonous or not.
Wow.
We found a millipede. Let me see if I can
Unbelievable.
get it on here so the camera. Oh, good. He's right
Okay.
on there.
Want to put him on
Hold
the
up.
mushroom?
Okay. And this is
Wow.
millipede that we found in the dirt.
Unbelievable.
Wow, this millipede is really cool. Right close up to me, it's not even. He's scared and he's curled up to protect himself. That's what they do when they're scared. What the heck is that?
What do you see? What do
I
you
see
see?
something coming out of his. Like, I literally saw an orange bubble. Okay, let me see that
What do
again.
you think it is?
It might be the cyanide. We better be careful.
Right.
don't want to. Okay, maybe I could get him off. Ugh, I can't get him off.
Maybe lay the stick down, and then he'll figure his way off.
The death cap. Hi guys, this is Luke signing out. A little nature bite. Don't stare at your screens too long, but have fun exploring in nature.